Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Asana with Google Calendar. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Calendar, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Connecting Asana to Google Calendar can help you track deadlines and manage your schedule more effectively by syncing your tasks and projects from Asana with Google Calendar. Now, I've done this multiple times in the past. You see, when you connect Asana to Google Calendar, you gain a visual representation of your tasks alongside other events and commitments. Now, I find it very helpful in understanding how tasks fit into your overall schedule. For example, you go to the calendar right here, and you're going to add a task, maybe this one, all right? And that's another one for this date, all right? Now, when you go to the project actions, go to export, you see, you can go to Google Calendar. That's one option. It's very easy and straightforward. All you're going to do is click on that, and what will happen is you should follow the on-screen instruction, all right? Go to Google Calendar, all right? And then the bottom left, find other calendars, select from URL, and from the menu, copy and paste the address provided. So it is very important for us to follow, all right? Click copy the link. All right, let's do that. Close this dialog and switch over to your Google Calendar. Now, once you are on the Google Calendar right here, okay, go to other calendars on the left side panel of your dashboard. There's going to be a plus button and the drop down menu. Click on the plus button so that you can import from URL. Remember the link we copied earlier? I want you to click on it. Click this, make the calendar publicly accessible. All right, click that and add calendar. Just wait for it to load because it's syncing. All right. And as you can see, the calendar has been created. If you click on it, you would notice that there's a lot that you can work with. You have the permissions. Anyone can see all the event settings. You can add notification if you wanted. For example, notification ends around 10 minutes. You can also add an email if you wanted, or you can have an all the event notification set so that all members part of this notif will be will have more interest to join. All right, so you have all of these. I'm gonna leave this as of now, and I'm switching over to the Asana to make sure that we have integrated the both platforms correctly. All right. Now, there's another way for you to connect Asana to Google Calendar. You can click on the customize and go to apps. Now here, you can search all apps if you wanted. You see, there is new and noteworthy apps, which is going to be Google Calendar. All right. You have an option here about data sync settings. All right. Authentication required before you can set up data sync. Okay. Just wait for it because you're not going to be able to do that if you haven't. Click on the blue button here. All right. And all you're going to do is grant permission. Click on allow. Now just follow the on-screen prompt. Just wait for it. And then there you go. Data now is syncing. All right. Just wait for it. Be patient. All they're going to do is connect to Google Calendar. Grant permission. Now here, you have successfully added Google Calendar to project. You can now start using the Google Calendar app. Open a task in how to connect Asana and look for the Google Calendar field. All right. Just wait for it. Now you see when you click on this one, you would be able to have an option here. Right. That is the Google Calendar. All you're going to do is start using Google Calendar by adding or searching here. Click on that and it would be forwarded to another page wherein you can notify the data sync setting is active for the same calendar as the link event below. Choose one, And of course, go to how to connect Google Calendar, all right? After that, as you can see, it's checking. You can choose the calendar week, maybe this, or maybe probably like next week. I don't know. It's up to you. You can choose another calendar event that you wanted. For example, no events for this week. And just click on OK if you have an event this week, all right? So that's two ways. The last option that we can connect Asana to Google Calendar is by hovering to the home page, and then I'm switching to another workspace, this one, because it has the browse integrations on the dashboard. You see that one? I want you to click on it. If you can see this option, browse integrations, and click on this arrow so you can connect Slack and other favorite tools of yours. All right. In this case, you can search your favorite apps in one place. Control plus F to find the Google Calendar, or maybe Calendar if you can find it. Okay, so click that. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to this installing GCal for Asana. All right. I want you to click this small button here. What will happen is you'll be forwarded here. All right. It's the app earlier. We are already done this in the past, so let's skip that. So that's 3 ways. And then the last one is using Zapier. Now, you can connect these apps and have all these endless possibilities by clicking this button. All right. Now, we want to make sure that to create a Zap, we can rename this app as something like this. Now, in the dashboard, we were going to select Asana as the trigger app. And of course, you need to log into your Asana account. Now, you can choose an event. For example, it triggers when a task within a project or any project within a workspace is marked as completed. Let's choose that. Go to Google Calendar, and that's going to be the detailed event. You can choose something like maybe it creates a new calendar. I want you to click on it, and of course, click on continue. For both of this account, just log in, just wait for it, and of course, click allow. Now click on continue. You can enter a next, all right? Go to complete this step. This is very important, all right? Because we're going to set up the trigger. Now we need to configure the events by mapping fields from Asana to Google Calendar. Click on the test to make sure it works correctly. After that, you can click on test trigger if you want it, all right? Now you can sit back and relax because Zapier will do all the work for you, all right? This integration helps improve productivity, collaboration, and overall project management efficiency, whether you are managing personal tasks, coordinating with a team with multiple freelancers, or juggling multiple projects. Connecting Asana to Google Calendar can help you organize and on track. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.